This is limit switch setting of PST coupling. Remove bolts of inspection window by using pneumatic air gun. Open actuator cover by using spanner. Pull actuator wheel outside and rotate it manually clockwise or anti-clockwise to make scoop tube move in and out. Scoop tube at bottom position means scoop in and wheel rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Scoop tube at top position means scoop out and wheel rotates in clockwise direction. Set the travel limit switch as per the position of scoop. For in scoop, it's TLO and for out scoop, it's TLC. Push actuator wheel inside for coupling to work automatically. Fit and tighten the bolts by using pneumatic air gun and clean the covers. Check and confirm satisfactory working of fluid coupling. For more information, download the Premium Transmission app from Google Play Store.